Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OYO Hotel Brownsville I-40. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. OYO Hotel Brownsville I-40. OYO Hotel Brownsville I-40 is located off Interstate 40 and is 5 miles from the Brownsville Historic District. Free Wi-Fi and a cable TV with HBO is available in all rooms. Laundry facilities is available for guests and vending machines are on site. This pet-friendly hotel offers smoking and non-smoking rooms. There are a few dining options less than 1 mile from the OYO Hotel Brownsville I-40, and Jackson City Center is 30 minutes drive away. The Factory Connection Shopping Center is 5 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.